Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button and follow us for more content on project management and how to use Leantime. Let's do a quick short intro on how to do a personalized project introduction. This is a project dashboard. At the very bottom, you're going to see your team. In order to create a personalized story, you need to have three things. You need to have a project description, a start date for the project, and each team member needs to have a job title. Here we've got a very short description, we've got job titles, but we're seeing this message, so we don't yet have a start date. I'm going to click into project settings. Project date is over here on the side, and then we're going to hit save. If we wanted to modify what voice the AI persona is in, we can do that from the AI settings. In this case, it should be the knight. I'm going to go back to the project overview, scroll down, and then those of us with job titles have stories now. Let's take a look at John's. There we go. Welcome, John Smith, to the grand project of Frankenstein's. Quick, easy way to get a personalized story in a fun AI voice, but taking that description and turning it into something that's related to what the work is going to be. That's it.